What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the new updated MediaBox HD. Now, I'm going to show you a modified version that is ad-free. That's the one in my channel's APK store, and is modified by Elfinder. And let me tell you, that guy, he can do some good work, man. But anyways, enough talking. Let's get right into it. And show you how this APK looks, as well as he modified it to be a little bit faster. I did notice the difference between uploads from the original to the modified version. Now, with the new update, it is Firestick friendly. Okay, as you see here, you can select everything on your screen now. Before it was a little tricky, but they have animation. They have, this is your discovery screen. It's going to start you off. And the discovery screen is just basically like trending shows, trending movies, you know, trending anime, music. And it has actually music stations or music videos. It's a pretty good APK. Now, there is a couple things I want to address right away. All right. You see how you got those three little lines there? It is near impossible to select it. The way you have to select it on your Fire Stick or your Fire TV remote, you're going to see three lines to the right of the house or the home button. You're going to click that. That's what opens it, okay? So as you see here, you have your favorites, histories, downloads, settings. Then also you have your track sign in, your other sign in there. And also if you have any like media requests, you could click there. Honestly, if you're going to do media requests, I would do it through your mobile, because you can download this on your phone as well, Android phone, and you can do the request easier through there. And as well, I'm going to put their Twitter account on my description down below, as well as their website. Okay, and just to show you, this is the newest update. You click that and see how it says MediaBox updated. There you go. So now just to browse this real quick, we go all the way down, so we can select on the bottom how discover movies, TV shows, and then you can search whatever you want to search there, and I'll find it. Let me go back up here. It's a little there you go. It's a little tricky, but hey, the app is pretty good. Now, click on. Oops, back out of there. There we go. So we'll go to movies just to show you how this works. So we're into movies. Now, what I did notice with this here, let's say you select The Nun, okay? You can scroll down. It shows you who are the actors in the movie. It shows you other movies related to it, and it gives you a description of it. But I did notice one thing, okay? That is a scary face. The one thing I did notice is it automatically starts up with subtitles, which it is okay, but then it is annoying, and I'm going to show you how you turn that off, okay? But just to show you how you get into the movie, you see this play button there? You're going to click that, okay? Then it's going to search the links for you. But you see on this bottom here, it says Autoplay. This is one of the cool features about this APK. You can click that, and then once it finds a good link, it's going to automatically play. But honestly, in my opinion, I keep that off, because sometimes when it finds a decent source and it plays it, it's not the best. I rather pick it myself where I can see, you know, the ratings or how it looks better. But if you guys you say, hey, you know, I don't want to deal with that, I just want to, you know, off the bat play it, you could just click that box and it automatically plays for you when it finds a good stream. But just to show you, you guys will click a link like right here. You click that and give it a second, and it should start right up. You know what I mean? And sometimes it does take a little longer. See, there you go. Now, you also can change your player, and I'm going to actually show you that. Now, let's back out of here. Now, here's your home screen again, and then you're going to hit those three lines. Remember that. Then you're going to go scroll down. You scroll down to settings. Now, here goes your player. You can select any player you want. You can have it on auto. I mean, that's what they recommend. Sometimes if you feel better with an MX player, you could play that, or VLC, whichever. Now, subtitles. This is what I want to show you. You click that, okay? It's going to have in English here. It's going to have it like that. You want to change it. If you don't want subtitles, scroll all the way up to say where it says without subtitles, because it is automatically set to have subtitles, okay? And as you see, there's also two things. You see how it has a dark kind of view? Now watch this. You could change the theme to the light and it brightens it up. Give it a second. And when I say brighten it up, it'll just change the background to a white. Okay. All right, so that's, let me go back in. I probably pressed the wrong button. And that's the other thing. Sometimes things don't always work right, and that's okay. Let me scroll down here. Yeah, see, it didn't go. There we go. Give it a second. It hasn't given me an issue yet. The only issue, there you go. The only issue that I did notice is some of the movies and some of the TV streams, they are kind of like a little laggy in some of the links, but you easily back out and choose a different one. That's why I say about it's not really a good idea to choose autoplay. I mean, but if you're okay with it, you're okay with it. That's great. But anyways, pretty good APK. Check them out. It's a modified version, ad-free, and it runs a little bit faster by Finder, a great modder. I'm telling you, keep them coming, buddy. Keep them coming. But anyways, let me show you how you get this APK. It's real simple, real quick. All you have to do is go into my channel's APK store. If you don't have file link, I have links down below of how to get it. It's real simple to do. And once you guys get the file link app, or you guys already have it, all you have to do from that point is open it. And then you're going to see your screen where it's going to say, you know, enter the file link code in. All right. And that's the code you're going to put in. Okay, you're going to put in that 645-39676. You're going to hit continue from that point. Now, just to give you a heads up too, I try to update as much as I can where you see the dates where it says like November 8th right there, cinema movies. That's a new update that I put up. Like I reviewed it and it's pretty good and I put it on the channel. Sometimes when I review something, it works great for the time I'm reviewing, and I do my reviews for about a week or two. Or sometimes just like a day or two. And if the app is so good, I put it out. But there is times that I do have apps that work great, but then when I push it out, it works like crap. You know, just guys, let me know, and then I'll take care of it. I'll take it down, or I'll look into it. Maybe it's something on my end or something that the developers did that they updated it, and I have to, you know, update it on my channel or my channel's APK. But anyways, what you're going to do is go down to the movie and show section, and it's right there. MediaBox HD to 2.2. It's the ad-free, and it runs a bit faster. From this point, you're going to click that download button, okay? Give it a second. It should load up. And then once it loads up, you're going to see it turn into a play button. From this point, you're going to hit the play button, okay? And you're going to see install. You're going to click that install button. Once it installs, it's going to say done or open, and you're pretty much good to go. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, share the video, as well as hitting that bell button so when I do push up or put out new content or new videos, you'll get the notification say, hey, listen, JoJo's Amazing Video put another video out. It's the best way to keep up to date. Also, check out my Facebook support group for my channel, as well as my Twitter account. Everything is down below. Check it out. Feel free to comment me, write me, or if you have questions, comments, and concerns, just hit me up. Okay? Hope you guys enjoy and have a great evening.